Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope you all my viewers are fine and enjoy your life. So guys, God bless you. So to start my video, this collection is all about the top 50 ideas of Wreath design for spring season that decor your porch area. Wreaths are so amazing. Flower wreaths design, butterflower shape wreaths designs. So unique ideas, unique creation are available on my YouTube channel. I try my best watch to you only the best collection, best ideas, best amazing videos are uploaded on my YouTube channel related to the decoration. So guys, don't stop my video, watch the video till the end. Amazing collection. Happy Spring 2022. My viewers, the outstanding and most amazing ideas, top 50 spring wreaths design are available on my YouTube channel. Hello Wreaths Designs, welcome Wreaths Designs, top 50 ideas, best creation, best amazing ideas. Hope you like the video, hope you love the video, enjoy my collection. Flower wreaths designs are available on my YouTube channel. So keep watching my channel on daily basis. I try my best watch to you the best ideas of the wreaths designs and the welcome wreaths designs. A huge amount of quality and quantity wreaths designs are available on my YouTube channel. So guys, don't go, stay with me with the easy craft videos. Best ideas for the Easter spring wreaths designs and the Dollar Tree decoration ideas. So keep watching. Take care. Bye bye.